right, good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to learn about group menus. Okay, this guide outlines how to add, edit, and manage group menus within Drupal. So group menus allow for structured navigation, helping users to find relevant content. Sorry. All right, step one, we're going to navigate to edit group menu. And of course, we have to log into IWP and click onto my account, which I've already done. You can see right here. And we need to select the group you want to update in the group menu. So I'm going to be going into the smoke testing group and clicking right here. Give it a second so it can update and I can get into it. All right, we need to click on group menus and we need to click on edit. We can start editing the menu. Okay. So the next step is we're going to add a menu item. So to help with populating the group menu, it is recommended to add the menu link directly when editing the content to ensure that the correct menu link is added. So how do we do that? Step one, in the group menu, click Add the Link button. So we click on that. And for some people, you need to populate in the following details for the new link menu. So menu link title, enter the following title for the menu link. It could be home, it could be anything. Some people already have things pre-populated that they're going to be choosing from. I've already picked one, which is an article that I've written called Sharing Media. That's an IWP, article that I've already written, and it's already populated right in there for you. Um, Next, you need to go into the links section. And for better navigation, you can use Drupal path or use the full URL rather than manually searching for this. I have that pulled up on another screen, so I can just copy and paste and put the link directly into it. So we're going to Control C and Control V, copyright that in there. That way we can find out where it is. All right, so the next step is making sure that this button toggle right here is enabled. And what that does, it's to make sure that the menu item is to display. Otherwise, it's going to be hidden. We're not going to be able to see it. If we're looking over to the right over here, there's a parent link group, and this tells us where everything is going to be appearing. And this is going to be in the default group in the smoke testing group. Next, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and it's going to talk about display settings. And we're going to talk about weight. Now, the weight determines the order of the links. The lower the weight appears, the higher it is in the menu. So if the weight is 0, it's going to appear pretty high. You can scroll the weight up, down, as you can see, -1. Obviously, the lower the weight, the higher it does. So negatives means the higher the weight it's going to appear. Um, Let's see. Display settings shows expanded the toggle on to always show its child links and when the menu is displayed specifically for some menus with sub pages, which I don't have any of that right now. I don't have any sub menus. And the description is what we're going to do next. The description I'm just going to type in for me, as I mentioned before, it's just about sharing media. So I'm going to type in a description for this. Sharing media. And just need to describe that. And then you're going to click save. And to make sure the menu items corresponds, check enabled, make sure it's checked. If it's left unchecked, the link will be hidden. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and click save to confirm all the changes. As you can see, there's group menus. There's sharing media. We have the checkbox, and that's all you need to see for this one.